best WordPress site settings for your new blog. In my last video, I showed you exactly how to create a WordPress blog, right? If you followed my last video, then this is the continuation of the video, how to set up your WordPress website, right? If you have not watched the previous series, I strongly recommend you go and watch the previous series, right? This is actually a blogging series, which I called Blogging for Beginners. My goal is to teach you how to start a website step-by-step process, right? Now, I will leave the link to the playlist in the video description. After watching this particular video, go down to the video description and watch all the previous videos. Because if you don't watch those videos, there is no way you are going to understand this particular one, right? So I highly recommend you start from the beginning and watch this series. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started with this video. So in the last video, I showed you how to create WordPress website and how to install WordPress, right? So along the video, I showed you how to create an admin email and password, which you are going to be using to log into your admin panel, which is this page right here. So once you have created your admin email and password, so for you to log in to your admin panel, which is this page right here, for instance, if your domain name is abc.com.ng, what you need to do is to go to your browser and type in www.abc.com.ng/wp-admin, right? Look at it on the screen right now. So all you need to do is to replace abc.com.ng with your own domain name. I hope you are getting what I'm saying, right? So once you load the page, once you load it, it is going to take you to this page. So enter your email address, which you created earlier when installing WordPress. Please don't get confused. And the password also, which you created when you were installing WordPress. So once you have entered your details here, you click login, right? You click login. This is where you enter your email and this is where you enter your password. Then you click login. So once you click login, it is going to log you in to your admin panel. So I'm going to log into my own right now so that we can continue with this video. I have just logged into my own admin panel. So from here, we are going to set up your WordPress, right? So the first thing you need to do right here, once you log in, the first thing you need to do is to click right here, right? Click this menu icon, this one right here. Once you click it, you scroll down until you see settings. This is settings, right? So click the settings. Then these are all the settings, as you can see, from general to privacy policy, right? So let's start from the general. Let's click the general. So this is the general settings. Once you come here, you will see the same settings you created while installing your WordPress, right? This is the site title. You will see the same name you entered, right? But if you want to change it, you can just change it from here. This is the tagline, that is the description, what your website is all about. For instance, the best movie website in Nigeria. It is as simple as that. Then if you come to the site icon, this is the site icon, right? What this means is, for instance, if you go to Google and make a search, beside any blog title or blog article, you are going to see an image right here before the blog title, right? So that is what is called site icon. Let me show you a very good example of what a site icon is. For instance, let me search for best WordPress site settings. So let me show you what site icon is. This is what is called site icon, right? This is what is called site icon. As you can see it here, if you scroll down, you will see other ones, right? This is site icon. This is site icon. So this is exactly what it means. I hope you now understand it clearly, right? So let's proceed. So once you scroll down, you are going to see WordPress address URL. See it here, WordPress address URL. You are going to see your domain name here, right? Then site address URL. It is still the same thing. You are going to see your own here. Then administration email address. You are going to see the email address you entered while installing WordPress right here, right? So That is it. After that, just go down. This is date format. You can just select anyone you want. It doesn't matter. Then this is time format. Just select anyone. It doesn't matter. If you leave it the same, it doesn't matter. This is week start on. Just select anyone you want. My own is starting from Monday, so just select anyone. You can select Sunday or Monday. It depends on you, right? It depends on you, right? So after that, you click save changes. Once you click save changes, you go and click the image. You go and click the menu icon again and go to the next settings. But if you are doing this from your laptop, it is going to be easier for you. You will see every settings at the left hand side of your screen, right? So I'm just recording this video with my Android phone, so just follow me the way I am doing it. Click writing. So under here you will see default category. This doesn't matter, you can just leave it uncategorized. Default post format, you can just leave it as standard. Then default editor for all users, select this first one, which is classic editor, right? Classic editor, because as a beginner you cannot use this block editor, so select the first one, which is classic editor. Allow users to switch editors, just select no. So that is it for here. You scroll down. So just go down and you click save changes. Once you click save changes, you click the menu icon again and go to the next settings. So I will go to the next one, which is reading. I will click reading right now. So this is the settings for readings. Once you come here, your home page displays. For you, just select this first one, which says your latest post, right? Select this first one, your latest post. Then you scroll down. So you can just select, say, blog pages show at most. Just select 10, or you select 8, 7, anyhow you want it to show on your home page, right? Just leave this one the way it is. Then for each post in a feed, include, you can select this one, which is accept, right? Select this one, which is accept. Now this is the most important part. Once you create your new WordPress website, this search engine visibility will be ticked. It will be checked by default, right? So once you come here, make sure that you uncheck this box, right? Make sure that you uncheck it, because if you leave it the way it is, if you like continue writing from now till December, Google will never index your articles, right? People can never see your blog articles on search engines, right? Your blog articles will never appear on Google. So make sure you uncheck this. As you can see, my own is unchecked, right? So this is very important. Make sure you uncheck this particular checkbox, right? So once you come here, you can just highlight all of this. You can just check all these boxes, right? Then you scroll down and you click save changes. Then you go to menu icon again. Make sure you save your changes before you proceed, right? So I will go to the next one, which is discussion. These ones doesn't matter. You can just go down. If you look here, you see allow people to submit comments on new posts. If you want people to comment on your blog articles, you can check this box, right? You can check this box. But if you don't want people to comment on your blog articles, you can uncheck it. For me, on this particular website, I don't want people to comment on my article, so I have unchecked the box, right? Then if you come down here to the other comment settings, this one, comment author must fill out name and email. Users must be registered and logged in to comment. That is, if you want people to register before commenting, you check this box, right? So that is it for here. If you come here, you see email me whenever anyone posts a comment. A comment is held for moderation. Someone likes one of my posts, someone subscribed to my blog, so you can check all the boxes, right? So this one, before a comment appears, comments must be manually approved, right? So if you want to approve comments before they appear on your blog, you check this box right here, right? So it is as simple as that. Once that is done, just go down. This is avatar. You can check this box. Then select anyone here. Just select anyone. It doesn't matter. You can select this first one. Then once you come here, you can select any default avatar, right? Just select anyone. For me, I selected this particular one. Select anyone from there. So after that, you come here. As you can see, show a follow blog option in the comment form. You can check the box. You can check this one too. Then you click save changes. Then you go to the next settings. Just leave the media. The media doesn't matter. Let's go to the permalinks, which is very, very important settings you must do. So once you click the permalinks, come down right here. This one that says post name, right? This is the one you are going to select. Post name, please. This is the one you are going to select. Once you have selected that, you scroll down, save changes, right? Save changes. So guys, this is the best WordPress site settings for your new blog. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. I want you to do just one thing for me. Go down to the comment section and type in best WordPress site settings. That's the only thing I want you to do for me right now before you go. Now, if you have not watched the previous videos on this series, watch this video on the screen right now, and you are going to see all the previous videos on this blogging for beginners series. So see you in my next video.